So good morning, class 8 children. Today we are going to discuss or we are going to start chapter number 15, some natural phenomena. So you can see on the board I have written the aim. Two things we are going to study in this chapter is natural phenomena, that are natural disasters, you may say, like earthquake and lightning. Okay. So these two things we are going to study in detail in this chapter. What are the story of lightning and earthquake? How does it occur? And what are the safety measures to be taken while earthquake and this lightning? But before starting the chapter, let's continue with the misunderstood words or key words of this chapter. So I hope each one of you have to find it out. First word is crust. May I have the answer from your side? Anybody have find out the crust? Yes, Aryan. He is offline. Can you tell the page number? Neha, you can also tell side by side.
Okay, ma'am. The
Okay.
uppermost layer of the earth is called the crust.
Okay. Or you can say the uppermost layer of the earth is known as crust. Better tell the page number even side by side so that others can do.
Ma'am, page number 192.
Okay. Page number 192. Each one have underlined it. Number 2 is discharge. Can I have the meaning of discharge? Yes, Aditya. Offline student. Sit. Tell while sitting, no problem. Anything else? Yes, children, you have not find out discharge. See in the paragraph of earthquake, the word discharge or the paragraph for lightning, you may find the meaning of the this discharge. Yes, Ananya Jain.
When a body loses charge to the earth or any other body, it is said to be discharged.
Okay, can I have the page number?
And page number 188.
188. Page number 188. The loss of the charge. It's not highlighted, you have to find it out. The loss of the charge when the heavy current flows, that is known as discharge. Maybe on the right side it will be. Right side first paragraph, the last lines, discharge. Okay, next is, find out children, page number 188 it is. Earth's plate. Yes, Ansh Tomar. The plates which are present under the earth's crust. Few of the plates are there which are floating under the earth's crust, that are known as the earth's plates. And we may say that these are the tectonic plates. Tectonic, T-E-C-T-O-N-I-C, tectonic plates. Page number, Ansh Tomar. Tectonic plates, or you may write down the plates. This will be where the earthquake, the heading of earthquake is there. There will be this earth's plates. Next is earthquake. Yes, and then Prateksha.
An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth which lasts for a very short time.
Okay, page number 191. So this is a definition of earthquake. Already you are aware about earthquake, sudden shakings. Next is electroscope. Yes, Akshita. Or children, you may find out that what you have learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth point of what you have learned. Tell me earthquake, electroscope.
A device can be used to test whether an object is carrying charge or not. This device is known as electroscope.
Yes, page number beta you need to tell.
Page number 187.
Page number 187. A device which is used. Yes, tell Harshit, you also tell. A device used to detect whether the object is charged or not. That is known as an electroscope. Okay. Next is lightning. Yes, Aditya. Anybody among you? Yes, Ananya Jain. Not able to hear beta aapka. Page number 184. Lightning is a 184 first paragraph, left side. Second paragraph, left side. Lightning. It's a spark, but with a huge, on the huge scale, you may write down. Yes. Next is lightning conductor. Lightning conductor. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
It is a device used to protect buildings from affected of lightning. Ma'am, page number 196.
Page number 190. First line, the definition of electroscope is there. Not electroscope, lightning conductor it is. Okay. So got it, everyone? I hope each one of you have lightning conductor. Next word is a negative charge and a positive charge. So are you having any definition for positive and negative charge? We are using these words. How can we define the negative charge and positive charge? Anyone? Any idea how can we explain any negative charge and positive charge? You won't be getting this definition in the... Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, positive charge. It is denoted by with a plus sign.
Okay.
And negative, it is an electric property of an particle at the subatomic scale.
Okay, or you may write down that negative charge is denoted by a negative sign, and positive charge is, we can write down it as a positive. Or negative charge is a flow of negative ions, and or you may write down that positive charge is a flow of positive ions. Okay. I hope you have written these, children. Next word is Richter scale. Yes, Akshita and Aditya both can speak.
The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms of a magnitude on a scale called a Richter scale.
Okay.
Page number 193.
Page number 193. Richter scale is used to measure the intensity of earthquake. That earthquake is of how much intensity. This is a Richter scale. Next is seismograph. Yes, Harshit or anybody else among you can speak. 4 children has raised hand.
Ma'am,
Neha. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, the waves are recorded by an instrument called the seismograph.
Yes, Harshit, you also tell. No, we need to tell seismograph. वही है आसपास ही. Seismic waves are also there. Children, you may underline the seismic waves also. And seismograph is a device which is used for what purpose? Tell me. किस purpose के लिए use किया जाता है seismograph?
Ma'am, the
Earthquake waves.
Yes, to measure the
Earthquake waves.
Ma'am,
Earthquake
seismic
waves.
waves.
seismic wave. Yes, the waves are recorded by an instrument that is known as a seismograph, and that waves are known as a seismic waves. Next is thunder. Thunder. Can I have the answer of thunder? Anya, roll number 1.
Lightning strike.
Lightning strike?
For
That-
yes, me.
No. Thunder is lightning as well as sound. When the lightning as well as a sound is there, that is known as a thunder. Or thunderstorm, you may write down the same meanings for both. Heavy rain and thunder, that you may write down for thunderstorm, and for thunderstorm you may write down. Next is transfer of charge. Transfer you may write down that movement of charge from one end to the another end. Transfer of charge means movement of charge from one end to the another end. Next is tsunami. Tsunamis, must you have read this word. And
Ma'am,
next is,
tidal waves.
yes, tidal waves. Tsunamis are known as a tidal wave. Tidal. Tidal waves are known as tsunami. Last word is tremor. Yes, Anya or Ananya, whosoever
A
wants to.
slight earthquake.
Which meaning you are telling?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Tsunamis or tremor? Yes, tell Ananya.
Ma'am, I will tell of tremor.
Ma'am,
The disturbances in the plates of the earth are called.
You need to speak again, beta. Not able to hear.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
The disturbances in the plate of the earth are called tremors.
Yes. The disturbance in the plates of earth are known as tremor. Children, you may write down for tremors. The disturbance in the earth's plate is known as tremor. The disturbance in the plates of, or you may write down that the disturbance in earth's plate is known as tremor. Other than these, children, if any of the word you have not understood, you may underline and you may ask. So
Ma'am,
this is
please tell the Ma'am, please tell the spelling of tectonic.
tectonic, TEC. The spellings of tectonic, TEC, TONIC. Tectonic plates. These plates are present under the Earth's surface.
Ma'am, can you please once tell earth's plate again?
Earth's plates, actually, beta, the plates which are floating under the earth. Under the earth, you know, there is a crust. So these are the plates. We were discussing about these plates in the detail. So these plates keep on floating under the earth's surface. So these are known as the earth's plates, or the other name for earth's plate is the tectonic plates. So I hope, children, you have understood the key terms or the misunderstood words of this chapter. So this is your work, that you need to start this chapter in the notebook as well as in your, kindly write down the misunderstood words of this chapter. Okay.